Srivastava teaching you maths of class 10th NCERT, chapter 6 triangles. In this question number, exercise 6.2, question number 9. Till question number 8 I have explained in the previous lecture. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. Diagonals intersect each other at point O, so that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. So it is the question number 9. So first of all we will draw a trapezium ABCD in which AB is parallel to CD. AC and BD intersect at O. To prove AO upon OC is equal to BO upon OD, you want to prove AO upon BO is equal to CO upon OD, you want to prove. So here first of all we will see the construction. Draw a line parallel to OE parallel to AB. Draw OE parallel to AB meets BC at E. First construction. After this proof, in triangle ABC, separately, OE is parallel to AB, then according to BPT, AO upon OC is equal to BE upon EC. Now we will see the triangle BDC, same side from B. This line will come in this triangle BDC. In triangle BDC I have drawn here. So OE is also parallel to, because OE is parallel to AB and AB is parallel to CD. So OE is also parallel to CD. So here you are getting, if OE is parallel, then according to BPT, BO upon OD is equal to BE upon EC. It is the second equation. By first and second, left hand side of both are equal. No, right hand side, BE upon EC of both sides are equal. Then LHS will be also equal. You get AO upon CO is equal to BO upon DO. Or, what you want? You want AO upon BO. Here BO is the numerator, so interchange, cross change. So you can write AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. Hence proved. It is your proof. Now question number 10. In the question number 10, converse of this question is given. The diagonal of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at a point O, such that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. It is given so that ABCD is a trapezium. In this case, you will draw and write the given. It is not a trapezium. It is a quadrilateral ABCD, but you want to prove the trapezium, so you will draw the figure of trapezium. AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO is given. ABCD you want to trapezium. AO, AC and BD intersect at O. Again draw a line parallel to AB. I am drawing a line parallel to AB. Meets BC at E. Proof. In triangle ABC by BPT, you will get here in triangle ABC. Again you can get the same figure what in the previous. In triangle ABC, OE is parallel to AB. It is you have drawn. It means by the BPT, AO upon OC is equal to BE upon EC. AO upon OC is equal to BE upon EC for question number 1. But AO upon OC, AO upon OB, it is given. AO upon OB here is equal to OC upon OD. It is given. This is given. So it is given here. So what will you get? Therefore, AO upon OC, cross change, OC will come here and OB will go there. Say AO upon OC is equal to BO upon OD. So it is a question number 2. This is given here. Only interchange OA and OB and OC. So I am getting AO upon CO is equal to BO upon OD. Here in equation 1, AO upon OC is BE upon EC. So by first and second you are getting RHS of this will be also equal to the RHS of this. So you are getting BO upon OD is equal to B upon EC, and this is in this triangle you will get, it is a BCD. In this you are getting OE. B upon EC is equal to BO upon OD. So by converse of BPT, this by question number 3rd, you are getting in triangle BCD. By this you are getting by equation number 3. So by converse of BPT, OE is parallel to CD. If OE is parallel to CD, but by construction OE is parallel to AB, it means this, by comparing these two, you are getting AB and CD parallel. In a quadrilateral, if one pair of opposite sides parallel, then it is called a trapezium. Hence proved. Now criteria for the similarity of triangle. It is a topic given. Criteria for the similarity of triangle. There is a, we know in the previous lecture, any two figure will be similar, then their corresponding angle A equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Only if, not only this, if second case, ratio of the first two by the first two, AB by PQ, is equal to ratio of BC upon PR is equal to first last AC upon PR, then only the triangles are similar. Like this 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, angle A, angle P, like this. So it is a condition. For the proof of this, like a congruency, you will get some more condition here, which is called SSS similarity. SSS congruency is there, and in the congruency sides are equal, but in the similarity what is there? In two triangles, if the sides of first triangles are proportional to the corresponding sides of the other triangle, then both are similar by SSS. In this you will get the ratios. What will you get? First side upon this, this upon this is equal to this upon this. It is the ratios are equal, then it is called triple S similarity. That's why in class 10 only triple S you can write. If similarity you are writing, write the similarity, congruency, then congruency. You must write in front of this. SAS in two triangles, if two sides of a triangles are proportional with the two sides of other triangle and included angles are equal, or you can say an angle is equal to the one angle of the other triangle and their side including, which making this angle are proportional, then they are similar by SAS similarity. But in the congruency, sides are not proportional equal. So this is in these two cases you will write what you are using, similarity or congruency. But third one is given AAA. AAA means in two triangle, if all the angles of first are equal to all the angles corresponding angle of other, then both are similar by AAA similarity. AAA is also called AA. Why? Because ASPT. ASPT, angle sum property of triangle, is only 180 for any type of triangle. If the two angles are equal, then third must be equal. So not necessary AAA. AAA can be expressed as a AA also. Reason is ASPT. So AAA, all the angles are first. So proof of this, first of all theorem, you are getting theorem 6.2.